Men experiencing burnout often feel drained, unmotivated, irritable, and detached from their work, and their relationships are affected too. Activities once they enjoyed may no longer bring satisfaction. They may struggle with concentration, it affects their cognition, memory, and it leads to sleep problems, headache, migraine, fatigue, and even other physical illnesses like, blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, and so on. One of the biggest challenges is that many men do not talk about their emotional struggles. In our culture and society often teaches men to be strong, keep going, deal with their problems, and expressing difficulties and problems, they might be perceived as weak. As a result, they just suffer in silence and they find it hard to discuss their problems. Instead of seeking help, some may become withdrawn, they become angry or turn to unhealthy coping mechanisms such as excessive alcohol. They can misuse drugs, they can go to gambling and other risky behaviors, and even excessive work as a coping mechanism, which is very unhealthy. So untreated stress and burnout can contribute to stress, anxiety disorders, depression, relationship difficulties, and also reduced productivity. And in severe cases can be very dangerous, and people, especially men, suffers from suicidal thoughts and thoughts of self-harm. This is why men's mental health deserves attention, and I believe it requires open discussion. The good news is that burnout is preventable and treatable. There are practical steps that men can take to protect their mental well-being, and that can include that they can maintain a work-life balance, a healthy balance. So they work hard, but they also enjoy their life. They prioritize adequate sleep, make sure that they do regular exercise, same time to sleep, same time to wake up, at least 7 to 9 hours, take breaks, take annual leave, go on holidays. It's important they eat healthy food, um, drink water, stay hydrated, which improves their cognition, stay connected with their families and friends. And it's important to learn to recognize what are the early warning signs of stress and when to seek help, talk openly about their